Hey Valparaiso, I'm Storm Shield Meteorologist Rachel Duensing here with a quick look at your weather, and we are going to be experiencing some very frigid temperatures, especially as we head into overnight and tomorrow morning. And we could also experience some snow chances this weekend, as well as we are going to be experiencing a very cold start to finals week. And we're going to start out with our RPM forecast model for temperatures. And you can see this is where the source of that extremely frigid air is. It's coming out of Canada. You see International Falls at -28. Minneapolis is at -13. Here in Valpo, our high temperature around 22. I think we're going to be a little bit cooler than that, but still very cold air. And then you can see as it moves in, we are just going to drop, especially as we head into the overnight hours and start losing a lot of the cloud cover that we've been experiencing today. We are going to drop. I do think we're going to be even possibly seeing some negative low temperatures. So definitely be aware of that. If you have to do anything at all late tomorrow night, be aware of that. And then only warming up to about 20 degrees on Thursday afternoon. But something else that's going to be a huge factor in our weather next couple of days is the wind chill. With strong winds and cold temperatures, it makes it feel even colder. International Falls is already feeling like it's -52 degrees outside. Very cold air. Minneapolis feeling like it's -30. Here in Valpo, we're feeling like it's already 10 degrees. But as I mentioned before, as we head into these overnight hours, those numbers are also going to drop. See, -12 degrees, we are going to drop. Very, very cold feel-like conditions. And then our RPM forecast model for radar, we can actually expect to seeing some snow. That snow actually started moving in late last night, a lot of the overnight hours. The snow is actually going to be tapering off as we head into the rest of the day. We're going to start clearing out. And that's what I mentioned before. We're going to be experiencing some very cold temperatures because those clouds moving out. They start to push back in by the time we hit into Thursday and Thursday night. But we're still going to be experiencing some very cold temperatures as we head the next couple of days. 20 degrees today, that snow starting to taper off, and there's a possibility that we could see around 2 inches of accumulation. So not a lot of snow, but enough to make travel a bit hazardous if you do have to do any driving, going to work, or if you're a commuter student. So definitely be aware of that. And those winds coming out of the northwest at 15 miles per hour is going to make it feel like it is 6 degrees outside. So bundle up, going to your classes, going to work. It's definitely going to be a cold one, and especially as we head into tonight, -1 degrees. I do think there are places that could be even colder than that. And with the winds coming out of the northwest at 10 miles per hour, will make that wind chill -17 degrees. So please bundle up. Do not underestimate this cold weather. Tomorrow, not much better. Only 18 degrees side high temperature, wind chill of 5 degrees because those west winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your 5-day forecast, not a whole lot better. Friday, experiencing a very slight warm up, 29 degrees. Almost feels a little bit warm compared to what we've been lately, but that's when we could start seeing a few more flurries come in. Saturday and Sunday, though, that is our next best chance of Saturday, 28 degrees, but cooling down once again to Sunday, 20 degrees. Both days, between Saturday and Sunday, there could be an accumulation of around 6 inches of snow, so please be aware of that. You're studying for finals, walking around campus, or doing any sort of traveling, please be aware that 6 inches of snow may not travel problems, so please be aware of that. Monday, the snow will have left by the time we start taking your finals, especially if you have any 8 a.m. finals. It is going to be a very cold day out there, that high of only 16 degrees. So bundle up, especially as you get into finals. It's going to be very cold finals week, but after that, you are on the home stretch for the end of this semester. That's a look at your weather. I'm Storm Shield Meteorologist Rachel Duensing. Bundle up and stay warm out there.